We don't have enough money for the dentist, so my sister's going to make me a tooth out of acrylic.
That's what the dentist uses.
Oh my God, I feel so weird.
Don't move. Let me get it on. You should have recorded it when your tooth was missing.
Oh my God.
Stop, we gotta make it white. Okay. You laugh at good pop. See, I told you the dentist uses acrylic. Beautiful. No.
It's black.
Well, we gotta use white over it.
Oh my God.
You got a goddamn tooth, don't you?
It's black! It's...
Come here.
Oh my God.
Stop! It's not missing, is it?
Okay.
It's not my fault you owe the dentist $1,200.
Oh my God.
Hold on. You gotta look good. Now we gotta get away.
Good. Here we go.
Come on.
Oh my God.
Let me tell you something, retard. It's beautiful. We're gonna put white over it. I'm gonna do your whole set. Free. Hold on. You're lucky I thought of this.
Oh my God.
What would you do? Oh, hold on. I'm gonna file it. Seriously, that is a perfect tooth. For not ever putting a tooth in before. Well, open your mouth. See? This is what you call redneck tooth bonding.
It's black.
Come on. Now, if you're missing teeth, you just buy some acrylic from your favorite salon, preferably Sally's Beauty Salon.
Make sure it's white.
Oh yeah, this is clear. But it's gotta look good. Trust me. Let me get that going. Shut up. Just don't bite down on no corn. Now we'll get the white and we'll do the whole rest of your teeth. She can't afford the dentist. But I'll take care of her.
Not like it did, Dick.
Well, it's not... You want it to break? How the hell did you sneeze and your tooth blew out anyway?
I sneezed and I looked and my tooth was gone.
How the hell is the acrylic clear turn black?
Ah! Yikes. I'd rather it missing.
Now, let that set and we'll get the white. Stay tuned for part 2 when we do the rest of our grill.